Here's what no one tells photography beginners when it comes to learning photography. Since most videos will teach you the basic buttons like ISO, aperture, shutter speed, focus points, this and that, am I right? But what they don't teach you is the 4 keys to creating amazing images. So in this video, I'm going to share what they are, but more importantly, the exact order you need to master them so you can learn photography faster. Now, real quick, before we get into the 4 keys, there's one foundational concept no one else teaches that will shape how you see photography for the rest of your life, and that is, what exactly is photography? So photography comes from 2 Greek words, photo, which means light, and graphy means painting. So photography literally means painting with light, and that is the foundation for everything that comes next. Now, before you worry about what camera to use or buy, just use whatever you have, even if it's just a smartphone. Now, if you already own a camera, whatever it is, it's good enough to learn photography. If you don't have one yet, don't let that stop you, because a camera just captures light. It doesn't teach you to see it. So the first key, or the first step to creating amazing images, is exposure. So this is how you control light using those 3 camera settings I mentioned before: shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. So every photo you'll ever create depends on understanding the relationship between those 3 camera settings. And this is where you need to slow down and learn it properly, because any bad habits you make now will follow you for years to come. And I know this from experience. Now, if your exposure isn't intentional and you don't understand why you're choosing these 3 camera settings, everything else becomes guesswork, which is going to lead to frustration. So don't skip ahead until this foundation is rock solid. Now, this next step is where your photography will begin to transform from ordinary to extraordinary. Now, we did talk about light and exposure in the last step there, but light is more than just exposure. You need to learn and understand the 4 characteristics of light and the 3 behaviors of light, all of which can shape your subject and help you achieve your creative vision. And you also need to be aware of the color of light, and that's because the color can change from the middle of the afternoon to later in the day and change again during sunrise or sunset. And then when you go indoors, that color of light changes again depending on the type of light bulbs that are in the room. Now, understanding the qualities and the behaviors and the color of light will transform how you see and create photos. Now, the next step is to learn and apply composition to your images. So composition is about arranging elements in your frame so they guide your viewer's eye around the frame. Now, there are over 30 rules and techniques to make your compositions better, but don't worry about all of them yet. Just learn one at a time until they become natural. Now, one of the easiest to learn and master is the rule of thirds, followed by leading lines. Now, keep this in mind, because I wish I would have understood this when I started over 30 years ago. And that is, amazing photos don't start with camera settings. They start with seeing. So once you understand light and composition, something will shift. The camera settings stop feeling like guesswork because you can see the photo you're trying to create, and your images will improve faster than any camera purchase or upgrade ever will. Now, once you understand and can implement those 3 keys, you're ready to tackle the 4th and final key, which is editing, and I like to call it the icing on the cake. But remember, you can edit a bad photo and make it a good one. Editing is about finishing the decisions you already made when you pressed the shutter. So start with your best images and don't waste time trying to fix your bad ones. All right, so now that I've given you the compass, the in-depth roadmap can be found in this free full photography course that I recommend watching next.